When I was in Jakarta, I took the time to visit La Piazza in Kelapa Gading Mall. I recommend tourists who come to Jakarta to come to La Piazza to eat, relax, and enjoy live music. All the restaurants are clean and the food is delicious. All restaurants in La Piazza are controlled by the DKI Jakarta Health Department. La Piazza is a lifestyle center located in central Kelapa Gading, standing on an area of 2 hectares with a building area of 20,000 square meters connected to Summarecon Mall Kelapa Gading. La Piazza was opened on December 31st, 2004 and was inaugurated by the Governor of DKI Jakarta at the time, Sutioso. The name La Piazza comes from Italian, which when translated into English means the plaza or field in Indonesia. Right in the middle of La Piazza there is a field or plaza that is often used as a place to hold quite large events such as band concert. Some famous tenants who have opened at La Piazza are Celebrity Fitness, La Piazza 21, and Wall Street Institute. La Piazza also has Surfer Girl Outlet, which is a surfing shop outlet from Bali. La Piazza also played a role in the success of the Jakarta Fashion and Food Festival or GFFF, which is always held every year to introduce Jakarta, especially Kelapa Gading, with its unique and diverse food and clothing. Since the closing of the La Piazza in 2017, the GFFF event has continued to be held at Mall Kelapa Gading. La Piazza was left abandoned until renovation began in 2023. The Fashion Tent, which is part of GFF, was held at La Piazza in 2022. On May 1st, 2023, La Piazza reopened with a new look after undergoing renovation. A number of tenants began occupying La Piazza afterward. The Kampung Tempo Dulu Night Market, which is part of GFF, was held at La Piazza in August 2023. The grand opening of La Piazza took place on November 10, 2023.